Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Cacio e Pepe.
Cacio e Pepe? Is that the Spanish version of Ren and Stimpy?
For the Cacio e Pepe, I got Pecorino Romano, of course, pink, black, and white peppercorns that I'm going to crush up, of course pasta, and then I'm going to serve it with some beautiful scallop kebabs. All right, let's at it. First things first, we're going to make our kebabs and then plate them all up. Look how beautiful they turned out. And then we're going to put them on the roasting pan rack. Add water, of course. Sherry, because, why not? And then Lemoncello. And then we're going to stick them in the oven, 350 for an hour. Then we take our pink, white, and black peppercorns and, of course, use the edge of the pan, the frying pan, to crush them up. All right, look at that. Perfect. After about an hour that your kebabs have been in there, it's time to put the pasta on. Boiled water, salt, pasta. Voila. The whole secret to Cacio e Pepe is to use the starch water from your pasta as your sauce base. It's pretty nice. There's no oil, there's no cream, there's no butter. And then you put some in your pan, and then you get ready for your pasta. You take the pasta out at about 8 to 9 minutes, because you're going to need a few minutes here in the saucepan so that it's not overcooked and it's perfectly al dente, and you're ready to plate up. Pull those beautiful kebabs out of the oven there. And then pour the Cacio e Pepe there, add a little pepper, Pecorino, and then start plating her up. Very beautiful. Then we're going to fluff her up a little. Wow, is that hot? Hot and good. All right. Man, I wish I could put the aroma of this thing on. Wow. Really nice. Cacio e Pepe with some beautiful scallop kebabs served with a Trebbiano, a nice acidic wine that goes with the pepper very well. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.